In the game of money, understanding the different types of income is crucial. It's not just about how much you earn but how you earn it. Rich Dad taught me that there are two main types of income: earned income and passive income. Earned income is what you get for trading your time for money. It's your salary, your wages, your commissions. Passive income, on the other hand, is money that works for you, even while you sleep. Most people focus on earned income. They work hard, climb the corporate ladder, and hope for a bigger paycheck. But here's the catch. Earned income is directly tied to your time. If you stop working, the income stops. This is the rat race, my poor dad warned. Passive income, however, offers a different path. It's about creating assets that generate income without your constant involvement. Imagine owning rental properties that bring in rent checks each month, or holding dividend-paying stocks that put money in your pocket while you relax. The key to building wealth lies in understanding the power of passive income. It's about building a system that works for you, freeing you from the limitations of trading time for money. Many people believe that becoming wealthy is reserved for the lucky few, those with sky-high IQs or six-figure salaries. This is simply not true. Wealth building isn't about being a genius, it's about understanding the game and playing it smart. Take a look at some of the wealthiest people in the world. They come from all walks of life. Some inherited wealth, yes, but many built their fortunes from scratch. What sets them apart is their mindset and their approach to money. They understand that high salaries don't necessarily equate to wealth. Sure, a big paycheck is nice, but if you spend everything you earn, you're still stuck in the rat race. The key is to live below your means and invest the difference in assets that generate passive income. Remember, financial freedom isn't about how much money you make. It's about how hard your money works for you. It's about creating a life where your money works harder than you do. Passive income is the key that unlocks true financial freedom. It's about building a life where your income isn't limited by the hours you work, but by the assets you own. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, whether that's pursuing your passions, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying the fruits of your labor. While earned income requires your constant attention, passive income allows your money to work for you 24/7. Imagine waking up every morning with money flowing into your bank account, even before you've had your first cup of coffee. That's the power of passive income. The beauty of passive income is that it doesn't discriminate. You don't need a fancy degree or a trust fund to get started. There are countless ways to build passive income streams, from investing in real estate to creating and selling digital products. The important thing is to start taking action. Educate yourself about the different types of passive income. Find what resonates with you, and start building your own path to financial freedom. There are endless possibilities when it comes to generating passive income. The key is to find what aligns with your interests, skills, and resources. Here are a few examples to get your creative juices flowing. Rental income. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. As tenants pay rent, you earn money without actively working. Plus, real estate often appreciates in value over time, building your wealth even further. Dividend-paying stocks. Investing in companies that pay dividends is like owning a piece of their profits. As the company grows, it distributes a portion of its earnings to shareholders, providing you with passive income. Online businesses. The internet has opened up a world of passive income opportunities. From creating and selling online courses to building niche websites that generate advertising revenue, the possibilities are endless. Royalties. If you're creative, consider generating passive income through royalties. This could involve writing a book, composing music, or even creating and licensing designs. Affiliate marketing. Partner with businesses and promote their products or services on your website or social media channels. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. These are just a few examples to get you started. The important thing is to do your research, find what excites you, and start building your own passive income empire. The earned income trap: why your job won't make you rich. While a job can provide a sense of security and a steady paycheck, it's unlikely to lead to true wealth. This is because earned income is inherently limited by time. You can only work so many hours in a day, and you only have so many years in your working life. Furthermore, relying solely on earned income makes you vulnerable. If you lose your job due to unforeseen circumstances, your income stream disappears overnight. This is why it's crucial to diversify your income and build multiple streams of passive income. Another limitation of earned income is that it's often taxed at a higher rate than passive income. This means that a significant portion of your hard-earned money goes straight to the government. Passive income, on the other hand, often benefits from more favorable tax treatments, allowing you to keep more of what you earn. Remember, your job is just one chapter in your financial story. It's important to have a job that provides for your basic needs, but don't let it be the only source of your income. Build passive income streams alongside your job to create true financial freedom and security. Millionaire mindsets: how the rich use passive income to stay rich. Millionaires understand that true wealth isn't about amassing a huge fortune. It's about creating a life of financial freedom and abundance. And they know that passive income is the key to achieving this. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He's one of the wealthiest people in the world, but he doesn't earn his billions from a salary. Buffett built his fortune through strategic investments that generate passive income, primarily through dividends and capital gains from his company, Berkshire Hathaway. Oprah Winfrey is another great example. While she's best known for her successful talk show, Oprah has diversified her income streams through various business ventures, including her production company, Harpo Productions, and her stake in the Oprah Winfrey Network. These ventures generate passive income, allowing her to expand her influence and wealth beyond her core career. The lesson here is clear. Millionaires think differently about money. They understand that true wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep and how hard it works for you. They focus on building assets that generate passive income, allowing them to live life on their own terms. Passive income, the cornerstone of lasting wealth. Building lasting wealth isn't about winning the lottery or striking it rich overnight. It's about making smart financial decisions, being patient, and leveraging the power of passive income. Think of it like planting a tree. It takes time and effort to plant the seed, nurture it, and help it grow. But once the tree is strong and healthy, it bears fruit year after year with minimal effort on your part. Passive income is like the fruit of your financial tree. The sooner you start building your passive income streams, the sooner you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Even small steps can lead to significant results over time. Start by investing a small amount of money each month in dividend-paying stocks, or explore ways to monetize your skills and passions through online platforms. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay consistent, and never stop learning and growing. The rewards of financial freedom are well worth the effort. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Understanding the difference between earned and passive income is the first step towards achieving financial freedom. It's about shifting your mindset from trading time for money to building assets that work for you. Take a moment to reflect on your current financial situation. Are you relying solely on earned income? What steps can you take today to start building passive income streams? Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. It's not about luck or privilege, it's about making a conscious decision to take control of your finances and create a life of abundance. Start small, stay consistent, and never underestimate the power of compound growth. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. What will you do to make it happen?